Welcome to ICSC Help YouTube channel. Today the topic is mensuration part 2. Part 1 has been uploaded some days ago of cylinder. Surface area and volume of cylinder has been explained in our video first. And in second video, the surface area and volume of cone in part 2. Only 2 cylinder and cone is in your ICSC class 10 math syllabus. Its fare is reduced. So the cone we should first understood the topic and the formula of cone. What is cone? Suppose that this is a right triangle and this is the hypotenuse, this is the height and this is the base. If from hypotenuse we revolve it like this, then a shape obtained is known as cone. This shape is known as cone. This cone has, this is known as base radius and this is known as height, and this which was hypotenuse known as slant height L. Slant height. How can you get the slant height? Slant height L. How can you get? You know that this is the right angle triangle, and applying the formula of Pythagoras, the hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Hypotenuse का स्क्वायर इक्वल टू बेस का स्क्वायर प्लस परपेंडिकुलर का स्क्वायर. हाइपोटेनस इज एल स्क्वायर इक्वल टू बेस इक्वल टू आर स्क्वायर एंड परपेंडिकुलर इक्वल टू हाइट का स्क्वायर, एंड सो द वैल्यू ऑफ एल इज दिस इज द स्लैंट हाइट. एंड next topic of cone is curved surface area. Curved surface area. The curved surface area of cone is pi RL. Pi RL. If you did not know the value of L, then you can use pi R under root R square plus H square to get the L. And what is the total surface area? Total surface area of cone. This was the curved surface area. Curved surface area means only the curved part, not this. Only curved part is known as curved surface area. And in case of total surface area, include the curved surface area plus the area of base circle. Base circle plus curved surface is total surface area. Total surface area is equal to curved surface area of cone plus area of base. Area of base of cone. The curved surface area is pi RL, and the area of base is just like a circle, and you know that the area of the base is pi R square. Taking common, pi r is equal to L plus R is the total surface area of cone, is the formula, and applying this formula you can easily get the total surface area. The fourth topic is the volume of cone. The volume of cone can be calculated by the help of volume of cylinder. You know that this is the cylinder and this is the cone, which is the third part of the total cylinder. Hence the volume of cone is equal to 1 upon third part of pi r square h. This is the volume of cone. So you have known the 3 topic: volume of cone, surface area and total surface area. Curve surface area pi RL and total surface area is pi RL plus pi R square is equal to pi R L plus R. That was the formula of cone. In your ICSE class 10 syllabus, the volume and surface area of cylinder and volume and surface area of cone is given, but is here is not in your syllabus. The third point of this chapter is the question will be asked with the combination of cylinder as well as cone. Cylinder as well as cone. Like this is the cylinder and this is the cone, and what will the volume. This type question will be also asked in ICSE class 10 board exam. Now for more clearance we take some example and solve it to complete understanding of this topic, mensuration. Question 1, let us know that suppose that the curve surface area of a cone is 308 and the slant height is 14. Curve surface area of cone is 308 while slant height is 18. How can you get the radius, total surface area and volume? Curve surface area of cone is 308. The curve surface area is pi RL 308 and the L is 18 or any other value 14, so that it will be easily reduced. 22 upon 7 are unknown while L is 14. 308 R is equal to 308 into 7, 308 into 7, 22 upon 14, 11 2 ja, 8 ja, 2 14 ja, 14 is equal to 7, R is equal to 7. Now you can easily get the L by applying the formula, and the volume of the cone is 1 upon 3 pi R square H, 1 upon 3 22 upon 7, R is equal to 7 into 7. And how can you calculate the H? H can be calculated by the formula L is equal to under root R square plus H square. L is given 14, R square 7 square plus H square. By squaring the both sides, 14 into 14 is equal to 49 plus H square, and find out the value of this. Find out the value of this and subtract the H will be calculated, and after H calculated put up the value and the volume can be easily calculated. The second is the question which will be easily asked in ICSE class 10 is the radius of two cones of same height. Suppose that 3:4. What is the volume? The radius of two cones. Suppose that the radius of two cones in the 3:4 with same height. What is the volume? Suppose that the radius of two cones is 3:4. What? Same height. What is the volume? Volume of first upon volume of second. We know that the 1 upon 3 pi R square H, 1 upon 3 pi R square H, 1 upon 3 pi R first is 3x pi R square H, and H same height, while the second is also 1 upon 3 pi but 4x square into H, reducing 1 upon 3 pi HH, the 9x square upon 16x square, x square 9/16. The answer is 9:16 of the volume first to the volume second. Now we will take the example of third. The perimeter of the base of cone is 44. Let the perimeter of the base of cone is 44. This is the perimeter. Perimeter is 44 of the base of the cone. Perimeter means circumference. While the slant height is 25. This is the slant height and it is the 25. How can you get the volume, curved surface area or any other? The perimeter is 44. Then first of all calculate the radius. Perimeter means circumference. Perimeter means equal to circumference. Circumference of circle is equal to 44. 2 pi r is the formula for getting the circumference. 2 into 22/7 is equal to r 44 and r is equal to 44 into 7/2 into 22. 44 r is equal to 7. After calculating the r, you can easily calculate the height by applying the Pythagoras theorem and apply the Pythagoras theorem. H square plus 7 square is equal to 25 square. H square is equal to 625. 49 minus 49 is equal to 586. 576 is equal to h is equal to under root 576 and h is equal to 24. H is equal to 24. Now you can easily calculate anything because all thing is known. Now you can calculate the curved surface area. Curved surface area of cone pi RL 22/7 7 into 25 is, and the volume of cone 1/3 pi r square h. 1/3 pi 22/7 r square into h is equal to 24. Reduce it and you will get the answer. These are the topic in mensuration, and suppose that you have understand the topic clearly. If you also feel any type of doubt, please visit icself.com to get the solution of your exercise. Thank you.